Hey kids, ever heard the tale of the cat and the fiddle? Well, let me tell you about Pug, the coolest cat ever. Pug loved playing his fiddle. Day and night you could hear him playing his favorite tunes. One magical night, Pug decided to have a little dance across the meadow. With his fiddle in hand, he pranced and twirled, filling the air with music. Everything was perfect until Pug hit a bad note. The fiddle squealed like it had a mind of its own, and guess what? The squeal scared a cow grazing nearby. The cow jumped so high she went over the moon. But that's not the end. Oh no, the cow kept soaring and landed right on Farmer Bill's house. She crashed through the roof, landing smack dab on the dinner table. Boom! The table shattered into pieces and food flew everywhere. Farmer Bill's kitchen was a mess, but guess what? Pug just kept playing his fiddle as if nothing had happened. So remember, kids, sometimes even a bad note can lead to something amazing. Don't be afraid to make a little noise and see where it takes you. Stay tuned for more crazy adventures with Pug and his fiddle. See you next time.